Everybody seems to love chocolate brownies these days. They're everywhere and they're very, very trendy. So here is my twist on a brownie using caramel swirl into it. It's delicious. So here's the ingredients. Bit of chocolate, butter, eggs, soft brown sugar, baking powder, flour, walnuts and carnation caramel. First of all, we're going to melt the butter over a pan of simmering water with 50 grams or 55 grams of the chocolate into there. Like that. Just melt that gently together. In here, we'll put some sugar, soft brown sugar. Next, we're going to add the eggs. And gently mix those together. Then add the flour. Sift that in. Baking powder. Just bring that together. Just put that to one side for a second and chop up the rest of the chocolate. Now I like big chunks of chocolate in mine, so I'm not going to chop them too fine. Put that chocolate straight into this mixture. Wonderful thing about making brownies is they're so simple to make, and even the kids can give you a hand. Walnuts go in. Okay, be careful because this is hot, and as you can see the mixture is beautifully melted. And pour that mixture on top of there. A whole lot together, look at that. Something incredibly nice about making chocolate brownies. Once that's mixed perfectly, put that into there like that. Don't waste any, so just take about a third of a can, carnation caramel, into a bowl. And just break up with a spoon. What will happen is, we'll let it settle down to almost a very, very thick sauce. We'll just swirl that. Then pop it into a preheated oven. 180 degrees centigrade, gas 4 for about 30 minutes. Once that's been cooking for 30 minutes, take it out, let it cool, and if you want to chill it in the fridge you can before you try and cut it. Don't try and cut it warm because it just won't work, it'll fall to pieces. Then, take the brownie out of the tin. Now I'm just going to lift this up. It should slide out perfectly. Cut it into nice pieces, like that. Look at that. It cuts beautifully. What you'll end up with is a nice crust on the top and the sides. And there we are, caramel swirl chocolate brownies. Fabulous, look at that.
لو عجبك الفيديو ما تنساش تشترك في القناة وتفعل الجرس عشان يوصلك كل فيديوهاتنا الجديدة.